The house has changed. Everything's changed. I was put to work. I took time off work to be put to work within my own house. With the
drill sergeant.
I was trying to pick my words very carefully there.
So I bought some new pillows, and you'll see my hack where I used wallpaper for my pictures.
Guys will also be able to relate. When you need to clear something up, you go, yeah, I'll get to that. When someone drags it all downstairs and puts it on the table,
right in your face. Marie Kondo method.
What?
You gotta look her up on Netflix. You know Marie.
Okay. No, I don't. But so wardrobe.
The second bedroom wardrobe, I say closet, the bookshelf.
Yeah.
And the entertainment stand where the TV is.
Yep.
It was all filled with Kev's paperwork and clothing that he's had forever.
Thanks.
Hey. Anyway, he did a great job of clearing everything out. So I'm going to show you some before and after shots of that.
Before was better.
We made a lot of progress.
Before was better.
Are you kidding me?
Better. No, it is good. Fairness. Pictures, mirrors.
Oh, the new mirror I have on the floor over here, it's going to go on this wall. And then we're waiting for
Thanks, Kev.
Another entryway table / cabinet to come.
Can never have enough mirrors.
No. Always have to have mirrors.
With lockdown, we didn't really get to do all the things we wanted to do, but we did go for a walk at your pace.
We were going up
different
some
to my pace.
Steep hills that day.
Oh, the walk in Bradford?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So
a nice scenic...
A nice overview of Bradford-on-Avon.
Yeah, nice walk with friends in Bradford-on-Avon. Yeah, first time really we went on that walk. It's It's a town we went to before. We've been for drinks, we've been for meals on previous
passing
trips.
through, stopping at restaurants, bars.
But nice to get a different viewpoint on it. Also got to get out on our bikes. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was fun. We had a good sunny day because for some reason this is like the first time I've come here and it's been like colder than it is in the US.
It is the winter.
But it's never been colder than it is in the US.
Okay.
Anyway, so I was freezing for the whole first half of the trip. And then it actually snowed yesterday.
It did?
I've never seen snow here before.
And we didn't make a snowman.
And I've heard it's been like 8 or 9 years since the last one.
No.
Okay, sorry.
I did hear some people getting fines.
Oh yeah, there were 2 ladies who went out for a walk. Like they were all prepared to do like a socially distanced walk. And they went to what they thought was like a trail in their or path in their local area. And the police like swarmed in on them and fined them like 200 pounds each for meeting up to go for a walk together.
Made the news.
Yeah.
So this one got scared.
It was all over the place.
We also got to walk around the local area.
This is a first.
We've sorted them all out. Can I just write that into the tank then, please?
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my.
Kev just made bank at the post office.
Made bank?
Yep.
Okay.
He got a whole 27 pounds, yo.
So not all bad with lockdown here. Yeah, you got to spend the time with me.
I did.
Yeah.
Got some good quality time in.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm really enthused about that.
I'm always enthused about that. Excuse you.
Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire.